Here we are, we're about to enter to Mountain Moon. Let's use a repel. Let's teach Flash to Paras, and let's use it. As you can see, we have a new team member, that's Machop, as I promised. Let's go, let's get this item and fight this guy. He has a Cubone. I'm faster and I go for the brick break. I also trade my Machop. And Slowpoke, I will switch out. Machop can't touch Slowpoke, he's very bulky. Razor Leaf to this Slowpoke and he's down. Let's progress. Here, this guy, he has a Slowpoke again. I sent out Venusaur and Razor Leaf to take Slowpoke down. Here Repel is over, Zubat of course. I can't escape, now I can. Another Repel. This item is revived. Now we're about to fight this girl. He has Otis. See? Let's go for the tick, which doesn't do a lot, but now Guts disactivate my ability that increases attack when I have a status problem. So Dick, again it didn't KO Otis. I think I have to switch out, this is getting annoying. No, Otis is down, Machop is level 23. And his other Pokemon is Bulbasaur. Let's send out Venusaur. Secret Power. And I have to wake up. Of course you can't touch me. Let's see if I have anything that can... if I have a Paralyzed heal. No, let's go on, let's continue our adventure. This guy has a Charmander, I have Machop. A paralyzed Machop that gets the Parahax all the time. Big misses of course. He has gone like 3 or 4... yeah. Come on, enough. Okay, I will switch out. Luck is not with me today. Another smoke screen. Another miss. Oh, finally. Charmander is down. The most annoying Charmander ever. A Cubone. Cubone is also down. And we will continue our way. This guy, let's battle him. He has Geodude. I lead with my Machop. If I hit, I guess I will KO Geodude, but of course I don't. And a Magnitude. Of course I miss again. Magnitude 8. Unfortunately I can't train Machop anymore. I will lead with my Gyarados. Repel is over again. Another Repel is about to begin. Now let's fight this guy. He has 2. Machop is the first one. Another tackle. And Onix. That won't be a problem. I go for the Water Pulse. Gyarados doesn't have a strong stab in Generation 3. There are no flying type moves. There is no bounce. And also Water Pulse and Surf and Hydro Pump and Waterfall are special moves. There is no physical water type move in Generation 3. The good news are that Gyarados learns Dragon Dance later at level 50 I think. Another Geodude and a Machop. We go down. Another Hiker. He has 3. Onyx the first one. Water Pulse takes Onyx down. Onyx. And Geodude. Another Hiker. A good way to train my Gyarados. Graveler, that's going to take us to level 29. This item is Escape Rope. Another Repel will be needed. No. No, this girl. No, I'm not lost, I know exactly what I'm doing. Jigglypuff versus Gyarados. Keep Charm and Disable. Okay. Bye bye Jigglypuff. Peachy. In Lavender Town we can get Return, which is great. We will get rid of Tackle. We beat this girl and we will also beat this guy. He has Geodude. I go for the Water Pulse. Another Geodude. And the Graveler. Another Pokemaniac. He has 3. Slowpoke is the first one. I go for the Bite, which Dax takes him out. Another Slowpoke. Slowpoke Maniac. Level 30. No, I don't want to learn Leer. And another Slowpoke, which, as I said, is going to be a part of our Heart Gold team. I don't want to battle these girls. They have some odysseys and stuff. Repel is over, but we're about to exit now. Let's fight this girl. He has a Meowth. See? Has a Meowth. Otis. I will switch out. And Secret Power. And last is Pizza. Now we are about to exit Mountain Moon, and in the next episode we are about to visit Lavender Town and get a Growlithe.